In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create a bar chart using the Visualizer plugin. Visual aids like graphs, bars, pie charts, and other data displays are a great way to merge data seamlessly and beautifully with your content. You can easily add them using the Visualizer plugin. If you've saved your data in a spreadsheet, maybe using Excel, Google Sheets, or some other program, then you can display that data as a chart using this plugin. In order to do this, first you need to install and activate the Visualizer plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now if you notice, you'll see the Visualizer icon on your dashboard. Go to the icon, and then click on Add New Chart. Here you get a couple different chart types to choose from. So now let's select the bar chart. Then click on Next. Now the first thing you need to do is import your data. The data that I'm using for these charts is taken from here. You can click on this link to download an example file with the necessary format and then replace it with your data. For this tutorial, I'm using the default data provided in the example file. Now go to Settings. First we have the General Settings. Here you can give this chart a title. You can change the title position from here, and the title color from here. You can also change the axis title from here. And then in the font style settings, you can change the font family and the size of the text from here. Over in the legend settings, you can change the position from here. You can change the alignment from here, and change the font color as well. Now, in the tooltip settings, you can determine the trigger that causes the tooltip to be displayed from here. And you can choose to show color code from here. You can also add animations for this chart. Just enable this. And then choose the duration in milliseconds. And finally, choose the easing from here. You can also add the license and creator information over here. So now we have the horizontal axis settings. First, in the general settings, you can add the axis title, change the position of the title, and change the text color from here. Then you can add grid lines from here. And you can change the color of those grid lines from here. You can also add minor grid lines. And over in the View window, you can add the maximum and minimum data value to render. In the vertical axis settings, we only have the general settings. You can add the axis title, change the position of the title, and change the text color. Now, in the bar settings, you can choose the focus target from here. And if you want the bars to be stacked, you can do that from here. Then you can choose the point opacity from here, 0 being fully transparent and 1 being fully opaque. Then, in the series settings, you can configure each legend from here. Then you have the chart size and placement. In the chart layout, you can configure the total size of the chart. You can add a background color from here, or choose to have a transparent background. Then, in the placement setting, you can set the margins as well as the chart area from here. Then finally, click on Create Chart. And as you can see, the chart was created. Now click here to get the shortcode for this chart. And let's create a new page and add this chart to it. I'm just going to give this page a title really quickly. And then paste the shortcode here. Okay, let's preview the page. And as you can see, the chart was added successfully here. This is how you can create a bar chart using the Visualizer plugin. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.